back. My name is Andrea, and I'm a sales executive for Land Rover of Windsor. Today I'm going to be talking about the 2021 Range Rover Sport. It's no surprise that the Range Rover Sport has been the first in its class for performance and versatility. The all-new 2021 Range Rover Sport has taken it to the next level with the designs, powertrains, and technology. So what's new with the latest Range Rover Sport? The Range Rover Sport comes with a revised in-air Cabin Ionizer. The newest HSE Silver Edition replaces all HSE trim models, providing a higher standard of specifications at improved value. The new HSE Silver Edition is equipped with silver exterior trim and eye-catching 21-inch black rims with diamond turn finish. In the interior, the Range Rover Sport has added an option for a family-friendly third-row seating, which increases the seating capacity from 5 to 7. Talking about the specs, every model of the Range Rover Sport comes with Land Rover's excellent all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The model is available in diesel, plug-in hybrid, and 2 mild hybrid. The infotainment system are controlled and powered by 2 large 10-inch touchscreens. The design is modern, user-friendly, and allows you to control multiple settings on 2 different screens. Additionally, there's a 12.3-inch high-definition interactive display screen above the steering wheel, providing the driver another customizable way to view data. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, it looks and feels even better if you see it yourself. So why not visit us here at Land Rover Windsor and check it out? You're definitely going to love it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.